Hi dancers, I'm back with version 3. The arms are still here, the legs are still here, and we are adding more traveling, jumps and turns. So I usually just call this version 3 jumps and turns version. Hey is the arm plus the leg and the balance, and maybe a jump like you're catching a ball. Hey, bring it down on yeah. We're just getting started. Simple movement here, almost the same as last time, but you could bounce, could decorate with some leg movement. First 4 counts again. Hey, yeah, we're just getting started. Take, same beginning, but now our walking steps to the right also turn to the right. So notice that the box is over your left shoulder and your right foot is in the air, ready for you to step on it to the right, reminding you to turn to the right. Take your fears and let them go. It's the same footwork as when it was flat, right, left, right, but it doesn't feel the same because the twist is in the whole body instead of just that crisscross feeling in the legs. So you go from take, right foot to the right side, left foot crosses the body, but the whole body turns with it. You finish with the right foot to the right side. Toss away. One more balance there. Those 4 counts again are take your fears and let them go. Next part is undulating arms, in and out legs, and traveling to the left. So it's pretty complicated, and if my version doesn't work for you, you can make up your own version, but make sure your arms are dancing, your legs are dancing, and you're traveling to your left because you just traveled to your right, so you're just coming back a little bit. If in and out with the legs is too hard on grass or on your body, you could go same side, toes one way, heels the same way, again to your left. From the go, my favorite version is this. And then we finish with symmetry, hands in. The bend of the legs is really important right now because we're going to start jumping. So if you haven't done any jumps today, you might want to do a little bounce to warm up your ankles and your knees and your hips before you get into jumping. Hopefully jumping feels good. The bend of the knees on take a deep breath is the bend that launches us into our first jump. And we need to bend our knees as we start a jump and as we finish a jump. At the beginning of the jump, the bend in the legs gives us the power to push against the earth to get up. And at the finish of the jump, the bend of the legs cushions our body so we don't slam our straight leg into the floor and have that hurt. So, there are 3 jumps in this ending part. The first one takes 2 counts to do, so it won't feel so hard. But then, in the next jump, you're only on one leg, and you have to go down and up and down and all in 1 count so that you can do it on the other leg. Bend to go up and land bent. So putting that all together, it goes like this. Take a deep breath. You're jumping slowly, and then we're still painting with our left arm first, but we're hopping on our right leg, and a quick exchange to be hopping on our left leg as we're painting with our right arm. So up to speed, that looks like this. Take a deep breath and make the world more colorful. Again, since that's a little tricky, take a deep breath, make the world a little colorful. All right, let's put all of that together. This is version 3. I'm going to put version 3 together with the music. I'll be facing you so you can mirror me.
Hey, we're just getting started. Take your fears and let them go. For the lovers and the broken hearted, take a deep breath, make the world a little colorful.
we'll do it again with my back to you so you can follow me. So now, take a deep breath, symmetry. We all paint with the left arm first.
Hey, I was just getting started. Take your fears and let them go. For the lovers and the broken hearted. Take a deep breath, make the world a little colorful.
One more tip on that jump, those quick ones. In addition to taking the painting arms same side leg opposite, it helps to think about the leg that jumped to be going a little bit forward. So you have a tiny leap in place. That'll keep your balance. So instead of trying to go straight up, I tend to open a little bit. Gives me a little more power and a little more balance. I know these counts are tricky, so let's do it one more time. We're going to paint with the left arm first. So that is, take a deep breath, make the world a little colorful. All right, that is version 3. Thanks for dancing.